this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to create this very beautiful handmade hibiscus flower garland for our Ganpati Bappa. So these are handmade hibiscus flowers, and also I will show you how to create this durva. This is a bunch of grass. So let's get started. For this we need red, sap green and light red crepe paper or duplex paper, 3 different sizes of pearls, 1 petal template, floral wire, 1 piece of yellow color strip, this is a 10 mm strip, glue, 1 pen which is not working, brush, acrylic color, some thread pollens, needle and thread to weave the garland, and scissor. First I am taking this template which I have created on cardboard, which measures 4 by 2.5 centimeters, and I have cut in petal shape. Now I am taking this piece of red color duplex paper, you can also use crepe paper, and I am tracing this template on top of this using the pen which is not working. Like this. Now just cut this petal shape using your scissor. So this is done. Now just cut the upper part of petal in little zigzag manner. Like this. In the same way I have created 4 more petals. Now I am taking purple color acrylic color and adding some color on the bottom part of petal using my brush. If you don't have acrylic color, you can also use crayon or pencil color. So just add little color and spread this in the bottom part. So repeat this process for all petals. Like this, let it completely dry. So all petals are dried now. Now I am taking my one petal and just curling this using my scissor from both the sides, like this. So repeat this process for all petals. Now take one petal and just crimp it from top using your fingers back and forth, like this. Now from the back side just stretch the petal little bit using your fingers. So the petal is ready. Do the same process with all other 4 petals. So this is done. Now take your one petal, add little glue like this in one corner and just attach the other petal like this. In the same way connect all petals with each other. And let it dry for some time. Now I am creating the stigma part of flower. So I am taking 5 red color thread pollens. So just connect all these pollens with each other using glue. So this is the stigma. Now I'm taking yellow color 10 mm strip piece and just creating the fringes. Now add little glue and connect this fringes around this. So that will be the stamen of the flower. Add little glue and just secure it. Now I'm taking one strip of crepe paper. This is red paper. Add with glue like this. And now I am just taking one piece of floral wire and inserting through this and wrap the remaining red strip around this wire. Just add glue and secure it. Now open yellow fringes. So the center part of the flower will look like this. Now I am taking one more red color fringe strip piece and adding from the top in spiral manner. So just add glue, connect it and rotate it in spiral manner like this. So this is done. Now I am taking light red color crepe paper. I have just doubled this and I am connecting this strip on the bottom part of stamen. Just roll it till the desired thickness. Secure the end with glue. Now I am taking one piece of sap green color strip and just making the sepal of the flower. The center part of the flower is done. Our flower is dried. So I am connecting the last petal with first petal. So add glue and connect like this. Hold it for some time. So the beautiful flower is done. Isn't it looking very pretty and looks like a real flower? Now just insert the stamen by adding glue inside this flower. Hold it for some time and let it completely dry. So the flower is ready. Now I am adding little purple acrylic color in the center part of the flower to give it little depth. Like this. In the same way I have created 4 more flowers. So in total we need 5 hibiscus flowers. Now I will show you how to create the durva. This is a bunch of grass. For this I am taking this piece of sap green color crepe paper and I have just doubled it and making small strips using my scissor. Now just gather all the strips together and add little glue and wrap one more piece of sap green color strip around this. Now you can just trim little white strips again using your scissor if required. So durva is ready. Now I will start weaving our garland. So I am taking 3 different sizes of pearls. Now I will start weaving first 10 small size pearls. Like this. Now take one medium size pearl, one large size pearl, and then insert one flower. Then again add one large pearl, one medium pearl, and then 5 small pearls. Then again I am adding one medium pearl, one large pearl, and then one flower. Then add one large pearl, one medium pearl, and 5 small pearls. Then again add one medium pearl, one large pearl, and then I am adding one pair of durva. Then add 2 small pearls, then one flower. If you have extra wire, you can just trim it. Then again 2 small pearls, durva bunch, and then again repeat the same process on right side as we did on left side. So this is done. Now I will just create one knot at the end of the garland. Now I am weaving 5 more small size pearls. And then just connecting on the left side pearls to create the complete garland pattern, and also secure it by making some knots. Cut excess thread. So the beautiful garland is ready. Isn't it looking very nice and very natural? So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video, and I'm sure you will gonna try this very soon because the Ganpati festival is coming soon. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.